are looking at me. I'm wondering who I am. I'm wondering who I am right now.
Oh, I hope this is not Sapa. I hope this is not Sapa. Sorry, but this is not Sapa.
Stay! Something from you. Yes, sir. But I can be merciful to you if you can tell me who I am.
Please, I don't know. I don't know.
I have the access to you now.
Please.
What do you want to do?
Nothing, sir.
Say I'm
Take your Sapa.
Sapa. Are you stupid? Sapa, look.
Okay, sir. He must be a good thief. A merciful thief. A good one. A good thief.
Say,
A good thief, sir. Thief, a good one.
I can be a thief. Depending on the nature of who I want from you. Calm down, young man, before I jump inside and get your head out and take all your property. Be careful what you can do. Get it for the last time, or else I will do.
Maybe it's bad, but it cannot be. You look like maybe it's fire, but it cannot be.
Right. I am not to inspire.
Oh, thank God. But why like this, sir? Why like this?
The man who's slippery. I come in different ways. Sometimes I'm serious, sometimes I'm not serious. But right now, I am here. I've come to talk to you. I hope you get what I want.
Sir, your one is always shooting to the soul. But I don't know.
Right now, have you achieved your goal? Do you know your destiny? Do you know your destiny now?
I just found out. I just found out.
Okay. If you know your destiny, how you doing? The best of it. Are you just good in what you're doing? Are you just good in what you are doing? You're just good and you're happy. Are you sing that song for me? To taught you in primary school. Good, better, best. Alright, sing it.
Good, better, best. I shall never rest until my good is better and better, best.
You should never rest until your good is better and better, best. That's what it's young. And right now, I want to tell you, if you have found your destiny, your goal in life, you should not rest at being good. You can be better, daily, improve, do not relax. You are supposed to achieve the best of your destiny, the best of what you are doing. You are supposed to achieve the best of what you're doing. Do not relax, see. Do not relax in what you're doing. Good, better, best. You sang, you said, you shall never rest until your good is better and better, best. Be the best of what you do. Work hard always. There is no bad thing doing the best of you. There is no reward being lazy. The more you do your best, the more the world acknowledges you, and the more you maximize your potentials. Do your best so that when you leave this earth, you will be so proud. Your children will be so proud. The family will be so proud. Everyone who knew you will be so proud. Do not relax because you think you are good in what you are doing. Your best. Get better daily. Get better daily. From daily, getting better. You will be your best. You relax at your good. Get the best. You not relax at your good. Get the best. You relax at your good. Get the best. Good, better, best. You shall never rest until your good is better and better, best. It's not only for the primary school. It's also for the grown-ups, for the daddies, for the mommies, for everyone who is living on this planet. Do your best. Don't relax and be good. I'm going again to steal away things from people. I steal away your laziness. I woke you up. If you do not listen to me, next time I will come inside and I will knock your head, knock you up, woke you up in a hard way. Sometimes I call my boss. I'm so sorry. That's the way it happens. That's the way it happens. Okay. See you. You got my neck. If not, I could have done shit. And from you, get some shit.